In this video, we understand the concept of derivative of sine x square root, which is a trigonometric function with angle x square root. Its derivative, we're taking its derivative. You know derivative of sine x is equal to cos x. So here we write cos x. This is the mistake. Here is not cos x, which is angle. Here mentioned same angle. If sine square root x, then here is square root of x. Here is the x, so we take here x. Always take same angle. Sine square root of x is equal to cos square root of x. This is derivative, but here is not and. Cos x, derivative of sine x is equal to cos x, and here. Why? Because here derivative of x is also appeared, which is x with respect to x, that is 1. So we do not mention here derivative of x. This is the most important part of these lessons. Here we take the derivative of this angle, which is x square root. This is the most important part, a common mistake, that do not take the power of this derivative of this x square root. So never missed this derivative of this angle. This becomes cos x square root, and then derivative of this, as usual, 1 by 2 under root x. And also here derivative of this inner function, which is x with respect to x, so here is the 1. So always be careful in angles, derivative of angles. This becomes 2 under root x. This is the derivative.